Hey g'day guys, and welcome back to another short video hosted by your boy Shane Bickner. And in today's episode of the Bizniz Talk, we want to cover the subject and topic, what is e-commerce? Many small and medium-sized businesses have been reaching out to me and have been asking the question, what exactly is e-commerce and how can they actually get involved? So starting off with the Bizniz Talk, here at our channel, here we help small and medium-sized businesses, showing them exactly step by step how they can go in terms of launching, growing and scaling their online e-commerce business. So as mentioned in today's video, I would like to just unpack the topic and term e-commerce and how exactly you can start as a small to medium-sized business. So breaking down the term electronic e-commerce really much refers to commerce, which is a transaction that takes place where an exchange between two people, either for a service or for a product. But at the same time, when we talk about electronic commerce, it really much just refers to those transactions that are now starting to take place online. As in recent years, the internet has really much changed the way people communicate as well as transact with brands and businesses, as well as communicate to their customers. And for that reason, e-commerce is nothing that's new. It's really much just been amplified over the recent months and years, really much due to the effects of the COVID-19 virus and pandemic, as where lots of countries went through different stages of lockdowns and curfew, and therefore a lot of customers have now shifted and changed the way they transact as well as consume and purchase from brands and businesses. And therefore, what are the benefits, for your business and brand going and starting an e-commerce, platform? It really much gives you access and opens up your shop 24/7. There's no longer trading hours where your shop trades on a Monday to Friday between 9 and 5. Your shop is now open 24 hours and 7 days a week. So that means that customers are able to transact and engage and purchase from your brand at any given time and hour. But at the same time, if you are a localized business, you are now able to access new markets and new customers with the use of an e-commerce platform. This allows you to service customers that are in neighboring locations, neighboring countries, or even at a global scale. Very much in that sense as well is that e-commerce has very much removed the barriers in terms of the areas and locations that you are able to trade in. But at the same time, you as a small and medium-sized business with the use of an e-commerce platform will allow you to compete with big corporates and big brands. No longer are there high costs or barriers to entry, but an e-commerce and online platform allows you easily to trade and compete with these well-known and big global brands. As long as you are able to present your product to the right customer, you are able to allow that customer to transact with your brand and business. And at the same time, the overheads and costs from an investment point of view with your business going into the e-commerce route is also cost effective and affordable in terms of launching that platform. You can decide to build your own e-commerce platform from scratch, or you could plug in your products or services into an existing CMS system such as Shopify, Magento and WooCommerce, just to mention or name a few. No longer are you having to agree to long rental agreements with landlords and retail spaces. You are able to test your product, test your service, and if you are seeing that the market is reacting to your product and service in a positive way, you are now able to scale and grow your business again without having to outlay any investment or any cost in your e-commerce platform and store. And then I think last but not least, it really much gives you an additional sales channel to your existing business. I know that during these challenging times of the Corona and COVID-19 pandemic, a lot of businesses has taken a knock in terms of their customers walking into store, or their doors being open and customers being able to purchase, from their store. As where the e-commerce platform allows you, as mentioned before, to not only open your store 24 hours, be able to service your customers from an online platform, but also to be able to help you grow and scale your business by finding new markets and new customers in which you are able to service. And if you would like to start your own online and e-commerce business today, or you would like to transition your business from an offline business to start transacting and having an e-commerce and online presence, all you have to do is drop a comment down below. And if you have any questions, also feel free to leave those questions behind. And as mentioned, for the next few weeks, this would be a kind of video series just really much talking about e-commerce, the benefits thereof, why your business should invest in an e-commerce channel, but also how you can use e-commerce to really much grow, scale, and also develop your business. And thanks very much for everyone that has watched until the end of today's video and episode. And as mentioned again, this is your boy Shane Bikna from the Bizniz Talk, and let's learn and work together. Thanks.